Alright, good day. Today is another episode of the Google Sheets broker connector, and we will look at my daily routine where I'd like to trade simpler and automate most of my workflow. So the goal is really to place a trade and from there press a button and be done with the trade. So we'll see how we can go about it, place a trade, fetch transactions, and then categorize the trades automatically. Let's jump into the platform here, and I'll be trading ES here, 80 days, something around the 10 delta, 9 delta is fine. This is this should work quite well. I can even go a bit further down because I don't need that much credit. 975 is actually fine. 1950, let's try to get 1975, place one short put and see if we get filled. Yeah, we got filled for 97 and change. Let's have a look here, the monitor the activity. So that was let's see if I can see it here, maybe here for 1975. All right, so now 1975 is what I'm gonna spend here. Go to 88 days, look at 30 something like this. So we buy this and sell this for 1875. Let's make it $19, and I'll purchase two of these PDS, review and send, we may have to top it up a bit, replace order 1925 and send, and we got filled. So that's pretty much it. I'm done with my trade. So now let's move to my trading spreadsheet, and this is where the tool is being installed. Tastytrade, add new transactions. This is pretty much all I need to do here. Click on Tastytrade and get the latest transaction. So we have made 3 transactions, sold 1 naked put, and purchased a PDS which is made of 2 legs. So here in this categorizing panel, I say, okay, this is Victor's UOTS, this was my ES short put, this is UOTS, and this is a put debit spread, and put debit spread. Note that I have a group ID that I'm not using, given I'm only trading this UOTS trading system. But if you were doing other trades, you can use group IDs to just further categorize your trades. I'm not doing it, but it's available. Click categorize trades, and I'm pretty much done for the day. Everything is being taken into account. If I look at my transaction and go all the way down, you can see here the one from today, 22nd of July, just 3 transactions with all of the details directly fetched for me automatically. That's it. That's how long it takes to usually trade. Very simple to automate. I place a trade, fetch my transaction, categorize them, and I'm done. If you'd like to know more or get access to the tool, this is the link where you can get it. Thank you for watching.